How to use list view in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use list view in Wrike. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log into your Wrike's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. That is Wrike's page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you would see a menu displaying options like search, inbox, more, personal, space overview, meeting board, advertisement, etc. And then once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do is navigate to the folder, projects, or space you would like to view. For me, I'll be working with the advertisement project. For you, it could be anyone, and I just select any of the projects, especially the project that you would like to use the list view for. So let's select the project. You'll be brought to the home page or the screen of the project where you see the title of the project. Then you'll see add view, and you see other options as well. Just go to add view and click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you can see options like table, board, Gantt chart, files, chart, calendar. You can see resources, stream, time log, and then once you click on more classics view, you will see options like classic board, um classic board, classic Gantt, classic files, etc. Now, as you can see here, you cannot find the list view, right? It is because this view is majorly for those that are using the paid version of Wrikes. Alright, so you can just use the one that is similar to list view and which is stable. Alright, that is the one that is most similar. So you can just use that wherever you want to do. And then this table view allows you to view different things on your account. It allows you to easily manage your tax. It displays the taxes the way they ought to be, and also it allows you to assign duties to people. It allows you to view status, etc. So it's very, very awesome. Ensure you try it out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.